Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're going to be taking a look at the USDCAD pair and analyzing it based on today's news and recent chart performance. Starting off with the daily chart, we see a relatively stable price action over the past month, fluctuating between 1.34 and 1.36. However, there was a significant spike upwards on October 2nd, 2023, reaching a high of 1.37. This surge could be attributed to positive Canadian economic news or decreased risk aversion in the global market. Notice the sharp decline around the start of November 2023, which indicates a potential bearish reversal from the earlier bullish trend. This could be linked to negative Canadian economic data or a shift in investor sentiment. Let's examine the 1-hour chart to look for shorter-term trends and possible intraday trading opportunities. We'll focus specifically on the period between January 17, 2025 and January 21, 2025. The 1-hour candlesticks show very volatile price action with high-frequency trading in this range. Here, we observe some key support levels in the 1.43 to 1.44 range and a clear resistance level around 1.45. Any breaks above resistance could signal a bullish continuation, while breaks below support could strengthen the bearish momentum. This high-frequency trading suggests a lack of clear direction in this range. The 15-minute chart offers even more granular detail about short-term price movements. Focusing on the same period from January 17, 2025 to January 21, 2025, shows small-scale reversals, support, and resistance, which can be used by scalpers and day traders. We observe that the 15-minute candlesticks exhibit significant short-term volatility. This high-frequency price oscillation reveals a lack of clear direction within the broader context of the daily and hourly charts. In summary, the USDCAD pair displays a complex interplay of short-term and long-term trends. The daily chart shows a possible bearish reversal around November 2023 after a period of bullish momentum in late September and October 2023. The hourly chart confirms the short-term volatility, especially from January 17, 2025 to January 21, 2025, showing key support and resistance. The 15-minute chart provides further detail, showing high-frequency price oscillations. Traders should closely monitor the 1.43 to 1.44 support zone and 1.45 resistance zone.